Hey everybody, it's Matt in the workshop here on Sparkle Farm. Still doing some major cleanup around here. Let's see if it'll just kind of putting stuff away. Really makes a difference in here, and just kind of fixing little things, putting it away. It's 1,000 more steps, but I feel like I'm actually getting more done by doing that. So the next small project we have, which is actually going to sound really silly, I got to fix like a dozen or so tomato cages. So, all right, let me show you. All right, let me show you what's going on. So with all the tomato cages, all these things are just broken, or the little tack welds on them broke. So the plan is to just hit them with a quick tack, kind of bend them back into shape and put them away. Our tomatoes didn't work out like we wanted to this season, so we'll just save it for next year. I think I can dial this way back. I don't remember even what I was welding last, but it was a little heavier than just some steel here. All right, let's get to it. Forgot to put the ground clamp on. Wow, that's not pretty, but whatever. It's just, tomatoes won't complain. We need probably just turn up the speed. All right, so one done. You know, it's like this one, this. Okay, another one done. Okay. This one apparently just needs to be straightened out. This one definitely needs a little more loving. Usually this one's gonna end up in the scrap. Okay, well, only like a few needed to be fixed. I thought I had a ton, and that's why I was pushing it off. Oh well, but they're done. I'm just gonna trim some of them down because they're like crazy tall and just all over the place. So I'm just gonna use the bolt cutters on that and put them away with all the rest.